Yep, plenty of old folks out with the boats. They've been out since September, I think. Just gotta watch where we're going. Slow boat session. So we have cruisers, battleships, or whatever they want to call them, right out there. Sailboats. Bit more speed. Lifeboat. Yay. I think that blue one with the orange flashes on, that was a 3D printed one from a set of instructions for a wooden boat. That orange one is Club 500. HOS twin motor. Club 500 with the beans. 540 motor. It's, probably on 6 cell NIMS. Used to race those, they don't now, but just for a toy boat, ideal. Might have to get one, another one.